Hi, this is Tutor P, and this is lesson 720. Title of today's lesson is the difference between refrain and prevent. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. If someone refrains from doing something, it means he or she has made a conscious effort not to do something. All right, key word here is conscious effort. They're trying to decide not to do it. Thus, one needs to make a decision to purposely not do something for some reason. Perhaps for moral reasons, not to offend or inconvenience others, for health reasons, etc. Okay, let's continue. Thus, if one refrains, he never took an action, and it is about self-control. If someone says a person is trying to prevent something, he or she is trying to stop a particular result from happening. He or she may take preventative measures or direct action if they have the power to do so. Okay, let's continue. And we got 7 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. This is a non-smoking area. Please refrain from smoking. So this is like a sign, and the sign is telling someone to try to make a conscious effort not to do something. Try to control yourself. So that's why they use refrain. Number 2, please refrain from speaking loudly in the library. So this could also be another sign in a library. They're telling people to make a conscious effort not to do something, not to disturb other people. Okay, number 3, they put up a surveillance camera in that store to try to prevent customers from shoplifting. Or in this case, they did an action. They put up a camera. And why did they do it? They tried to prevent customers from stealing. So they did an action to try to stop something from happening. All right, number 4. They put up a non-smoking sign in order to prevent people from smoking. So again, this is kind of related to the first one here, but it's from the opposite point of view. So they did an action. They put up a sign, and the purpose of putting up the sign was to prevent people from smoking, to try to stop them from doing it. All right, number 5, Catholic priests are supposed to take a vow of chastity and refrain from taking part in sexual relationships. So Catholic priests are supposed to make a conscious effort not to do this. They're supposed to take a vow, a promise, because maybe it may interfere with their work, with their religious work. That's the idea behind that. Number 6, when you're on a diet, you should refrain from eating sweets or fattening food. So here they're telling people that you should make this conscious effort not to do this if you want to be more successful on your diet. Okay, and number 7, his wife hid all the desserts in the house to try to prevent her husband from going off his diet. So the wife made an action. She made an effort, and she was trying to prevent something from happening. She was trying to prevent her husband from going off the diet. Okay, I hope you got it. I hope you got a better feel now of when you should use prevent and when you should use refrain. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.